Okay, can see my my whiteboard. I mean my blackboard. I can see. Okay, compound. Chemistry we call as a compound. Okay, understand. Compound, that means mixture. Okay, that means more than one kind of elements will come and mix together. We call it as a compound. Okay, we call it as a compound. For example, this compound actually they are divided into two groups. Okay, they were divided into two groups. One is a covalent compound. A covalent compound. Okay, so ionic compound, what does it mean? Ionic compound. Ionic compound, two types of elements present there. If basically compound, that means more than one type of element present there. If only one type of element present there, I cannot call them as a compound. Maybe that one is a molecules. Okay, if a different types of element present there, then I can call them as a compound. For example, like put positive one, this one ion chloride. So that means what is it meant by positive? You need to know why they put a positive in this compound. That's the keyword for the ionic. Positive, that means this sodium or this is a natrium electron to become as an ion natrium. So that means from atomic form, they converted it into ionic form. If they want to change themselves from atomic form to ionic form, so that means they must lose the electron. Okay, then another question you can ask me, teacher, if you say they have to lose the electron, what about the chlorine? So which group they will lose the electron and which group they will accept the electron? Good question. Okay, so that means if you lose electron, that means group 2, 3 will lose electron. If they come from group 3, they will come from. Okay, so only group 1, 2, 3 only have the capability to lose the electron, because these three group we consider as a metallic group. Okay, we consider as a metallic group or metals. Group 1, alkaline. Group 2, alkaline earth metal, and some of them group 3. Okay, so remember, any elements come from group 1, group 2, group 3, they will lose the electron to become as an ionic form. So now go to the chlorine. Okay, now go to the chlorine. Okay, so negative means they will accept one electron. In a chemistry, positive, something like a positive thinking people. If a positive thinking people, they will donate. This is not mathematics. If a negative, that means negative thinking people, something like a selfish people, they don't want to donate. They only want to accept. Okay, then after that, they want to share or they want to give that thing to other people. So if like that, negative, this is the keyword. Negative, that means, okay, they will lose electron. Okay, they will lose electron. Okay, so they will lose electron from chlorine, they become as a Cl negative one. Okay, Cl negative one. This one, some of the books they write like this: sodium or natrium 1 positive, natrium 1 positive, okay, and plus 1 electron. That means this atom will become as an ionic form if they lose 1 electron. Okay, this is ionic form, normally how to accept 1 ion. Okay, so this is the terms. Okay, this is the terms how to divide them into which one is a negative, which one is a positive. Okay, now you can ask me, teacher, if like that, which group will accept electron? Good question. Okay, the group that, okay, 5, 6, 7, not 4, not 8. 8 is stable, normal gases. No need to release electron, no need to accept electron. Okay, but other groups, 5, 6, 7, they will accept electron. Okay, accept electron. So by gaining the electron, they become as a ionic particles. So normally, if you give and you take, you have strong connection bond. Okay, so this one, talk about the bond. Okay, talk about the chemical bond. Okay, strong force. One they lose, another one is they accept. But when you go to the next part, this one is a covalent. Basically, even in a covalent, that means they. Okay, example like if they want to share electron, you need to know from which group they come from. 5, 6, 4 groups we consider. So if the non-metal from group 5, 6, 7 react with group 1, 2, 3, they form the ionic compound. If the non-metal, okay, react between them, either 4 react with the 5 or 6 or 7 or 7 with 6, like that, because all of them, they come from the same group, non-metal. Sure, they have no capability to donate or receive. No, only the metal can donate. If the metal donate, easy for the non-metal to accept. But in this case, both of them are non-metal. So both of them do not have the capability to donate or receive electron. So what they will do, okay, now I have no capability to donate or receive electron. Now I use this one. What one? This method. So they say, okay, now we come from group 4, 5, 6, 7. We are non-metal. We have no capability to donate electron. Now like this. Come, we combine together. We use our external electron, I mean the valence electron, they will combine together. So by sharing the electron, they form the covalent compound. For example, like carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay, carbon basically to need another form or electron to become as a stable atom. So what they will do? Now I share my, let's say this is the valence electron of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. They need a hydrogen. Hydrogen, you have one electron, right? So what I will do? Okay, each of you give me one electron. Share one electron with me. So one hydrogen comes share with electron. This hydrogen, so that means the number of hydrogen come and share the electron is 4 hydrogen. So one carbon need 4 hydrogen to make a covalent compound because they need to share the electron. That's why this one become a chemical bond, one chemical bond and one chemical bond. Okay, but this one you only share your electron. Anytime it can break off into 2 parts. They can split easily into 2 parts because by sharing the electron like that, I don't think you have strong force between you. Anytime you can split into different group. Okay, so what they will do by doing so, weak force if compared to ionic compound. Understood?